Yes, I'm back again with another video. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Luana and I do hair videos, makeup videos, a bit of everything basically. But today I washed my hair and I thought, let me show you guys how I actually style my hair, define my curls using a brush basically. So I've washed my hair using this, and then I went in with a deep conditioner, and then in the shower whilst my hair was still wet, like after rinsing out the deep conditioner, I went in with the leave-in conditioner, which is my first styling product. So I went in with that whilst my hair was literally soaking wet. And now I'm gonna go in with my coil sculpting custard just to define my curls, and then dry my hair and show you guys what my hair looks like. So yeah.
Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. We ourselves grown inwardly, as eagerly we await to be adopted as God's children, redeemed. And by this hope we have been saved. But who can praise God from the grave? So we will rise upon that day, glorifying your name above all names. I need him each moment. I have come to know the peace that he bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of
And yeah guys, that's how I brush style my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more and let me know any more videos that you guys would like me to do. And yeah, see you guys soon.